How to log in into your ADP Workforce Employee Portal account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari. Here in the source bar, you have to search for ADP Workforce Now Employee Login. It will land you on this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first one. Wait for a while for it to load. Now you have to click on Not Now. In here, you have to enter your user ID of your account. And if you want them to remember it, then click on this checkbox Remember User ID. And then click on Next. Enter the password that you have created before. Once you have entered both of your login credentials, tap on Sign In. And then you'll be successfully logged into your account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your ADP Workforce Employment Portal account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.